Hello, and welcome to another First Contact Polymer instructional video. Today we will be showing you the two-step process of removing water-based contaminants on one of our first surface test mirrors. Because water is a polar solvent and the solvents in our polymers are nonpolar, these stains are sometimes not removed with the polymer alone. We have multiple videos showing the water spot pretreatment application, but these were typically done on optics with minimal water contamination. We've let this mirror sit outside for about a month with 100% exposure to the elements. Dust, pollen, dirt, and mineral deposits are all present on the mirror after being rained on several times, allowing us to showcase the effectiveness of our pretreatment. After masking the area, wet the surface and lay down one of our low lint cloths, making sure to let the cloth drop straight down, eliminating movement across the surface and potential scratching. We're using the cloth to trap moisture against the surface of the mirror and slow evaporation. Next, spray the low lint cloth until the area over the optic is completely saturated with pretreatment. Allow this to dwell for approximately 30 minutes or longer for heavier contamination, while spraying more pretreatment onto the cloth as needed to keep it saturated. There are quite a few different contaminants that can be present on an optic with water contamination, with varying dwell times to break down. There is no way of knowing which contaminants present on the optic take the longest to break down, so do not let the low lint cloth dry. After the dwelling period, carefully remove the low lint cloth from the surface and apply polymer. This mirror is small enough that the non-spray polymer can be used, but we have found that the spray polymer mixes more readily with pretreatment and eliminates handling of the optic. You may need more polymer than usual to ensure the pretreatment and polymer completely coalesce. After the polymer is dry, you may remove as normal. Check out our YouTube channel for more helpful how-to videos.